Hello everyone, I am Kat. Welcome to my channel. You have arrived. All right, for today's challenge video, I am going to attempt the tiny face. So if you would like to see how I created this look, then stick around with me. Don't go anywhere and keep watching. And if you do enjoy the video, be sure to hit that like button. And of course, if you're not already, don't forget to subscribe. Now, I know a lot of you have seen Jaime French's video, so that's of course where I personally got my inspiration to do the tiny face challenge. And of course, I've seen so many other people do it and it is hysterical. So I'm super excited to hop into this today. So let's go ahead and do that. All right, so to start this tiny face challenge, I'm gonna go ahead and do a really simple look, but I'm gonna do that, I'm gonna go through that with you guys. So we're just gonna do a simple eye look. We're gonna get a little bit short, wow. Right now, I feel like I'm noticing like how big my nose is when I go like this. Whoa, what a schnauzer you got on there. And yeah, so this part of the face we're just gonna like ignore. I'm not really gonna focus on covering any of my blemishes because we're gonna hide it when we get all wrapped up for, you know, the tiny face. Let's go and start with the eyes. Oh, also, if you don't really want to see the process of the eyes and you just want to get to the like the silly part, you can go ahead and skip to, and I'll see you when you get there. Otherwise, let's keep going. Now that the eyes are nice and primed, I'm gonna work this light brown shade into my crease. With a darker brown shade, I'm gonna keep building that crease and then also work it into the outer V. With the pad of my finger, I'm applying a beautiful shimmer champagne color to about 2/3 of my eye. And with a very deep, deep dark brown, I'm going to add that to the outer third and, of course, blend out those harsh edges. I'm going to pause on the eyes for a moment and we're going to go to the face. Right, okay, so I think I'm gonna wait to chisel my face. I'm gonna go off camera and I'm gonna go get my brows on my face and I'll be right back. And complete. What is next? Ooh, let's just go ahead and do the under eye. Picking up that medium shade brown and sloppily applying it to the lower lash line, and for the outer third, that nice dark brown. For the waterline, I'm using a white pencil. Now, to create my eyeliner and the wings, I don't like using my magnetic liner for the magnetic lashes as my whole entire liner, so I use my fave liner to create the wing, and then I put the magnetic liner on the lash line. Let the tiny face challenge begin. So for this part here, I'm just starting to map out where I want the nose to go, about how far down, and then of course, where exactly I'm going to have the lips begin. Because like, that looks interesting. I gotta remove this. Here we go, here we go, here we go. Bye for now. I don't think you can really, yeah, no, that doesn't look like anything, but okay. After the lips have already been kind of shaped a little bit as well, the rough draft, I'm going to start shading. So the shading here is going to help the different features to pop more and kind of come to life. Here we go. We're going to start adding in the lips and try really hard not to get carried away. As you can see here, I got carried away, but I also wanted to kind of show you this part so you guys can see that even when something goes wrong, it's still salvageable most of the time. And here I'm just adding a little bit of shading to the lips and kind of creating those lines or like the wrinkles in lips that they naturally have. All right, let's start contouring. Okay. After double, triple checking that everything is coming together, lastly, I wanted to kind of do a little bit more shading and creating a little shape of a face right around the mouth there. And then a quick set, a quick fan, and lastly, we cannot forget highlight. So we're hitting all them spots. The brow bone, the bridge of the nose, the tip of the nose, sexy, sexy time, the Cupid's bow, and of course, the cheekbones. Okay. I'll be right back and I will have the whole finished look. So there we go. Okay, I did it. It's done. The tiny face challenge is complete. I hope that you guys really enjoyed watching me create the tiny face, and let me know in the comments down below if any other challenges you would like to see me do. So all of my makeup lovers and my curl friends, I'll see you next Monday. Take care. First, let's hop into the tiny chase. the tiny chase challenge. Oh yeah, that's so good. So grabbing my I keep want to say sharp shape tape. I feel like the lips are like my eyeliner where it's like you need to stop, but you keep going. So I think I need to stop. Salvageable. Oh my gosh, there's powder all over my hubby's phone. Ooh. See you next time.